Welcome back, listeners of YouTube. In this video, I'll be showing how I converted my lawn into a garden, spring of 2018. The area is 10 feet by 10 feet, located in Northern California, Zone 9B. The three main points of this video are 1. Skipping the use of a grow box and planting directly into the clay soil. 2. The addition of an automated watering system. And 3. The addition of T-posts for vertical gardening. This design is based on the Midlighter system, which utilizes a grow box that has sawdust and lots of synthetic fertilizer. For almost everyone out there, your clay soil will work just fine. Here's the layout of my sprinklers. Originally, we see the direction of water going left to right, feeding the 4 corner sprinklers. My addition is in red. You see how the water is diverted underground to 3 watering pipes above, all controlled by the automated timer. The bottom red circle is my shutoff valve to control the only remaining sprinkler head. I wanted one sprinkler head to remain in case I grew something which required a sprinkler head spray, but I have yet still to use it. Here's a photo of the 3 connection points and the bottom shutoff valve. The bottom shutoff valve will be covered with a valve box over it, then covered with dirt. The dirt is reapplied and the valve box cover remains exposed. The 3 above ground pipes are connected. Each pipe has an individual shutoff valve. The above ground tubes are not glued together. This makes for an easy disassembly and storage during the winter months. I've had no problems with the water pressure causing the connection points to come apart. The system is designed to be converted back to grass if needed. The 3 pipes coming out of the ground can even be twisted off. I have each pipe surrounded by a corrugated drain just to help keep the dirt away from this connection point. The 3 watering pipes are 10 feet long, 3/4 inch diameter, 200 psi. Holes run along the length of the pipe in pairs, allowing for 2 rows of plants to be watered at the same time. To drill the holes, you will need to make some pencil marks. Clamp the pipe in place. Make short midline marks down the length of the pipe. Using a bubble level, if the legs are 90 degrees, then the mark is 90 degrees. I made a cardboard template with pencil to align over the midline mark. Run the template with pencil down the pipe to make a line. On your template, make diagonal lines. At the end of the diagonal line, make a dot for your drill hole. Drill with a number 57 drill bit. Space holes 4 inches apart. You will have to wrap this drill bit with tape to better fit your drill gun. The T-post vertically is 8 feet tall with 15 inches in the ground. The horizontal piece is 4 feet long. The cross is put together with a cross lap joint cut. Each piece is pressure treated. A pocket hole jig was used to connect the 10-foot horizontal 2x4. The bottom wire is connected to a plastic stake in the ground. Top and bottom wire connected with baler twine. Morning hitch knot is used for the top wire. Here is a photo of the baler twine I used and the 12 gauge wire that I used. Here is a look at the pipes in action. The pipe is approximately 9 inches above the ground with a screw cap on the end. Turning on the sprinkler timer, 2 rows get watered at once. In terms of water pressure, normal city water pressure is 40 to 60 psi. You can measure your home's psi with a water pressure gauge, or just check the flow rate with a bucket. Normal flow rate is considered to be between 6 and 12 gallons per minute. I have been using this system for 3 years during the summer and storing it away for the winter. I haven't had any problems. To increase the longevity, you could paint the pipes along the top. And if one of the drill holes became clogged, you can simply use the drill bit to unclog it. I am surprised how much water is conserved. When the temperature reaches 95 degrees outside, I'm still only watering once every 3 days. Turning it on for 2 minutes at a time, 3 different times a day. So the entire garden is watered in 6 minutes every 3rd day. Truly a water and time efficient system. Here is a look at midsummer. The left side had potatoes already harvested. You see corn on the right. In the middle, I have alternating pole beans and different varieties of tomatoes. Everything turned into a jungle. And here's a look at the crimson Carmelo tomato that I have. Overall, I would say this project was a success, and I'm very happy with the results. I based my design on a couple other YouTubers, the Frugal Prepper and the LDS Prepper. I left their links down below. They give additional instructions on how to build this type of a garden. So special thanks to them. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching my video on converting a lawn into a garden. Bye-bye.